People, now welcome back again. Somebody say the video where I do concerning what you call erectile issue. Say your this thing, your rod as a man on the stand. You get this thing stubborn grass what I talk about for that. You say the stubborn grass, you know the thing for area. You understand? You know feel locate them. So I bring another one to you. Will be say you go feel use wey be say you go feel access. If you want go market to go buy am, you go feel buy am. That your wetin they call am your road your this thing wey be say e no dey stand for months even some people sef for years now this thing no dey stand. E no dey stand. You understand? And that one a lack of confidence. Once that thing no dey stand as a man, you no get confidence. That your Mr. P. Once you know they stand, that one a lack of confidence on its own. You understand? Then they call you Nicodemus before, but now na Nicodemus that they call you. Now they call you. You understand? So why I dey here as a herbal doctor to solve am for you. This thing I want to show you so now money. 9 people till they give people a secret, you understand? But I go show you for free. If you like, make you take am for granted. Make sure you like and share this video. Like and share this video if you want me this thing work for you. Like and share this video. I dey give you for free, but you must like and share this video. You understand? Make this thing work for you wella. So the secret I want to show you today. You don't dey soft na be see am. You don't na be clove. See am, na be clove. Clove. You dey see am? Clove and ginger. You dey see these two combinations. Oh my god. Kai. Many people they don't spend money because they want make their this thing stand. Yet they no dey see who go help them. This will not be matter of say spiritual now. This will not be even spiritual. This one are physical. They don't they spend money for different type of drugs to help them so that thing go dey stand again. You know they stand. They will go the other room. They'll see me they come perform action. You will they know as Nicodemus. You don't turn Nicodemus. That thing not they stand again. My brother, different things they happen for your body. If it be as a result of infections, if it be as a result of stress, the type of work we they do. You understand? Different things they cause them. Different things they cause them. And also if it be say as a result of maybe diabetes for your body, excess sugar. So that thing as you know they stand again. The one bus stop now with this one. Will be say it go solution for you. You dey get things here for free. You dey get things here for free. No say people if they get things for free, they not value one. Or if you say because they don't spend money, the thing not be as I talk it not go work. Whereas those people who don't give, we will even charge money, they see say they work for them. And are the things I say they give you free for years. So more go into man not talk too much. So to help yourself, get this clove, get this ginger. Your thing not dey stand again. What you just need to do, not do too much complicated things. You see, this clove in the morning, chew am up to 5. Just chew this clove up to 5. This ginger, just cut small. Just cut small from inside. Cut small from inside, rinse am, chew am with the clove. After you chew am with the clove, drink water. Do this thing consistently morning and evening. Morning and evening before you sleep. Morning and evening. Don't ask me say for how long before the thing go stand again. You self will your thing not dey stand again. You know how long it not dey stand again. So but that one not me say it go take time before it go stand again. But just dey do one. Anything will be say come to herb now patience. Just patience, because that herb as you dey take am, it go dey work for your body. Some people they'll take these things, so they chew this clove and this thing a week. The thing don't start to dey stand. It don't dey work well. Some if you take 2 weeks, you understand. But if you understand, just dey patient. It go work for your body. This clove now, it dey aid blood circulation for your body. That's your erectile issue. That's your what they call am, your jontomus for there. This clove go dey make the circulation of blood dey reach there. If you not dey reach there before because of things so you don't block am, This clove, it go make the circulation of blood. It go make your veins for that place relax. Blood go dey flow well into that place. While this ginger, if e be say na bacteria dey your body wey dey block your blockages, your veins and everything, wey be say blood no fit dey flow and other things for your body, or tiredness for your body or whatever, wey dey disturb your body, this natural antibiotics, this clove, this ginger, go flush any bacteria comot for your body. While this clove na great antibiotics, e go make blood dey flow and go dey purify your blood for your body. So these two combination, just dey chop am. Just take up, if na up to 5 clove in the morning and a small ginger, cut am, chew am before you comot go work. You understand? Just chew am. As you even chew am sef, these two things so, e go aid your body. That place where you even dey waka, wey be say you dey tire before, dey waka dey go, this thing, it go strengthen your body. That's to tell you say how this thing dey work. Because if you go the other room, this thing go give you power and confidence. It go give you energy to take do anything for the other room. Now be this clove and ginger, so they give you strength and energy to take do your day work, if na for office or anywhere. So now the secret I just tell you so. If you know say you want make that your John Thomas, make it stand again, your Mr. P, make it stand again. Just dey take this thing. 5 clove in the morning, just chew am, just put am for mouth and cut small ginger. Just raise the ginger, put am for mouth, chew am, drink water. In the morning, before you leave the house, or even whether you dey leave house, not leave house, in the morning and at night, before you sleep, just chew am. And these things so, it go make you even sleep well. Now people, I just dey reveal some kind things, so I not even supposed to talk for this video. This one, so if you say you know dey sleep for night, this one go make your vein relax and it go make you sleep well. So if you dey take and you can't say you feel dey sleep well even for night, now all you want be this clove. So just dey use them and come thank me later. I want see you now come the comment section, come dey talk. Some people will use this thing. I don't know why some people dey selfish. When I use something where be say I talk for video, una e go work for una. And if you come back, come comment for the comment section, say thank you. I don't need your money. I don't say me you give me money. Just come the comment section. So like the video, share video, say thank you. It will also motivate other people to say they believe herbal products. So my people, I beg una dey like and share this video for this platform. Everything we dey talk for here, nah, very authentic things so we see people they use. So this clove now just be this, so just chew am like this. Put am for man. Carry your this thing, your clove. Put am for man. Just chew am. Chew am. Now I do am like that, morning and evening. Just continue on. Your matter go solve. You not spend money. I just to buy all these things. So I go soon now for another video. No, take care. I beg you dey share this video. Now bye bye.